how's it going guys? Quick video on a RC stand that I'm gonna make. I've been using these small ones for most of my cars. It does the job, but it's not good for a big car like a 1/5 scale, like one of these. So I thought to make one myself, and the idea I come up with is bought myself one of these. Cost about 2-3 quid, and I'm just gonna mount this on a piece of wood. I ended up buying a metal piece just for looks, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. So this is what I come up with. So I put quite a few screws on the sides. I've got these 2 plates to cover up the screws, apart from that side because I run out of metal. So yeah, that's what it would look like. But yeah, let me finish off and you'll see the finishing touch. Here's the finishing piece, guys. So all I did was I just put quite a few planks together, and yeah, did the job. I'm gonna put some sort of it's like felt pads but rubber, so it doesn't slide. Another thing I just realized, my stand is just the right height to stand my car up. There we go. So it's just enough height for my RC car to be leaning on the spoiler and the rear end. All I have to do is just put it down, put it back up. Perfect. Mojave 6S won't fit this way. It's too tight. But it fits the other way. Thanks for watching, guys.